Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk around startup and drive video for you on a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro. This car is restored as a Yenko Tribute car. The Yenko recreation. This is a factory code 7676 Daytona yellow car. It is an X55 car, which means it is a true super sport car. It came out of the factory with a 350, and now it has a 505 cubic inch big block in it with a Muncie 4-speed transmission. Man, this thing is gorgeous, isn't it? That Daytona yellow just pops. It's got the American Racing torque thrust wheels, kind of the old vintage looking wheels. They're modern production, but they're old vintage wheels. Gives it that iconic look just like it should have had. Thing looks, it's just beautiful. Sounds great, runs great, drives great. 12-bolt posi rear end, 331 gears, Caltrac bars on the back. It's got brand new Bilstein shocks on the back of it. The engine in this car is fresh, a few thousand miles maybe. I don't even know if it's got that many miles on it, but interior in the car is very nice. The seats, carpet, dash pad, they've all been replaced. New headliner, sail panels, package tray. Dash pad looks great. Nice leather wrap Chevrolet steering wheel. Door panels are very, very nice. Jambs are very nice. Dome light, sun visors. All the glass in this car is in very nice condition as well. True super sport car. 350 car originally, like I say. Now it's got a 427. It's got 505 cubic inch engine. We'll pop the hood here and show you that gorgeous engine. There it is. Big aluminum radiator, aluminum heads, aluminum intake. Was that a quick feel or might be a Braswell? All new valve covers, long tube headers. Man, isn't that engine bay just beautiful? Aluminum catch can. Power steering and brakes. Disc brakes on the front. Shows you the tag there. Hood insulator. Running lights. Same way with this side. Very nice jambs. This is a very, very nice car, very quality car too. All the seat belts are intact. It's open the trunk here. I got the keys in the trunk, so I'll show you inside there real quick. Spare is in there. Jack instructions. That was a speck of dirt right there. I had to wipe it off. One tiny little chip right here. This car is very, very nice. The body and paint on it is very nice. I'm walking around the car trying to find something to show you, but I don't see any bubbles or blisters anywhere. So yeah, other than that one little rock chip. It's got, oh, I did notice this. It's got a little touch-up spot right here. That's what it is. I don't know, I tried to kind of rub on it. Somebody touched it up at one time, it looks like, so. I mean, you're gonna have that. I mean, this car's, you know, it was built to be driven, so Definitely a beautiful show quality driver. I mean, this car, it's got the look. You can take it to a car show this weekend and win trophies with it. It's just super, super sharp car. Tack dash. Does have this other Stuart Warner tack down below here on the column. I don't know, I just thought it's kind of neat, kind of vintage, so I just left it. Wipers work. Still a little cold. I just started it and drove it in here, so if it dies, yep, I'll have to start it up again. But it does have an electric fuel pump on it. It also has electric cooling fans. It's got a little toggle switch underneath there for the electric cooling fans. Car sounds great, don't it? I'll start it back up for you here when we head out to do our test drive. And then once we get outside of town there, I'll get out and walk around the car with you again so you can hear it run. Sometimes when they're cold-blooded, I don't even try to keep them running in here, because you run them in here too long, you get kind of fumed up, especially with a big block breathing like this one does. I got two of these cars. I got another yellow Yenko Tribute as well, and it's a gorgeous car too. This one probably has a little bit beefier engine in it. The other one runs really well, but this one here is this car's no joke here. Man, that thing sounds good. Holy shit. There's a bunch of beautiful cars right there, folks. Got a bunch of them out today. Kind of been fighting the rain off and on all week, so. Like it should. If it looks like it's hazy on here, it's just because of the light. See that? That's how nice and bright it is. And then I put it on here and it looks like it's kind of hazy, but it's not. Everything's crystal clear in the gauges, dash. Car really rides nice and drives nice. I'm driving this car with just my thumb. State trooper there. At least I didn't pull out in front of him and then gas on it and get going 80 or 90 mile an hour and have him catch me. He'd probably like to catch me driving this. Listen to that thing. Crisp sound of 505 cubic inch big block. See the shady side
it down to second gear and just gave her some hell, and the ass end started sliding around. This thing gets it. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Get you some of this badass 69 Camaro. Wow, what a beautiful car. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you very soon.